I haven't technically recorded a boxing video in a while, I guess. I felt like this might help me if I ever run into issues with SOS or something while, say, on a hike. If I can get it open without delaying. Alright, it's a CharMast, like a character that has 30 amp hour worth of power at, well, I think 5 volts is what it was saying. This is USB. But more recently they're saying USB-C, I think it is, can support both 12 volts as well as, I believe it was 9 volts, so it was in between 5 volts and 12 volts. Anyway, that's, I hope I don't have to edit that it's really 10 volt or something, 9.5 volt, 9595 over 9. I think I might be making a future for myself, I don't know if I technically entirely have the dough, but I keep finding myself in a position where I got no juice, got no power, so oh wow, comes a nice case, so yeah, 21, there's 212, and I spill what all over it? Okay. Doesn't look like it comes included with any cord as far as I can tell. But that's okay, because I already have some plastic. Oh, this thing does weigh a bit. That's okay, because it should last a while. USB output 1 and 2, 5 volt, 1, 2 amps, I believe. There's no set of paperwork like they had on the web app. I didn't exactly prepare myself for this video, but I'm trying to remember if they had higher amperage on USB-A, but then there's a micro USB for charging, I believe, and then USB-C, which can go either way, input or output. But it was saying it takes a while to charge because it's got quite a amount of batteries in here. It was saying it can charge like many devices many times over to last possibly even a week. It's handy to have, right? Aha, never mind, I lied. It does come out. I was like, I should check myself, right? Should check myself. There's like USB-C on one end, USB-A on the other end. So I can charge and then, quality control 3.0 pass, that's good. Here's a little user manual talking about the 30 amp hour universal power bank. English, Dutch, French, Espanol, Spanish, Italiano, Italian. I'm assuming that's either Mandarin or Japanese. Probably Mandarin, because it has more traditional like your power button, logo. LED display 0 to 100%. High density lithium polymer battery. What is that over? I just say NOR. Error corrected me back to this. Polymer, approximately 14.5 hours. Via 5 volt 2 amps. Says the charging time, or approximately 9 hours. Depending on the device that's plugged in, I think is what it's saying. Charging from the wall or charging to a phone? I'm pretty sure it charges to a phone is much quicker than 9 hours. Anyways, I guess it's just a confusing point in this manual here. Anyways, input 5 volt 2 amps, 9 volt 2 amp, I got it right, 9 volt USB-C, 5 volt 3 amp, 9 volt 2 amp. It's the input, which might take quite a while. I think that's the charging time it's talking about from the input point of view, not the output. Samsung AFC. Is that wireless? I don't know. It's just disregard that. I haven't looked it up really. So anyways, the output is USB-C, 5 volt 3 amp. I think I was saying 1 amp and 2 amp. From USB 1.0 and that, I guess, or USB, not 1.0, but 2.0, 3.0 is what it now. Is there 4.0 now? No. Anyway. But I guess it's got 5 volt 3 amp from the USB A, number 1 slot, number 2 slot, 9 volt 2 amp, 12 volt 1.5. So I guess it's the same between USB C and USB A. Right, and the handshaking here is already disrupting your eyeballs, y'all. And it weighs a decent amount. Operating temperature 0 degrees centigrade to 45 degrees centigrade, or 10 degrees centigrade. It's a 6 degrees centigrade, depending if it's inputting or outputting. You know, it's an input charge or outputting, still charging, but not from the point of view of a wall, but the point of view from the mobile round. So there it is, get started. Charge the power bank, fully charge your power bank for first use. Connect USB-C charger cable to USB charger port, connect the other end to the micro or USB-C, or to the input port, being the connector side. Plug the power bank fully charged. Guessing maybe lights might change colors, and I say. So charge your device after the power bank's fully charged. Connect the charging cable to one's device charging port. Connect the other end to the appropriate USB output port on C3007. Plug your device when fully charged. Check the remaining battery level. Press the power button. Oh, neat. Keep away from liquids, fire, and extreme heat. Passing through charging USB. Output charging can only charge up to 5 volt 1 amps. Dispose of battery according to the person saying 73s. Do not disassemble by oneself. Avoid. To be honest, I don't entirely know what the radio chatter is about. Micro USB and USB-C inputs are compatible with PD 2.0, PD 3.0, MTK-PEI 1.1, And some other protocols. A to C, C to C for quick charging design. I'm going to enter into quick charging mode. Okay, Dragon Fury through 20 seconds later, so customer support. Alright, so I guess all they got here. There's a power button. So I'm assuming that was already charged, that's 100%. I don't know if this unit was technically used, looks kind of strange, I don't know. Yeah. 73 is over now. I'm not sure what Dragon Traffic is or isn't about because I was too busy talking to really pay attention. Over now, 73.